Hey guys, it's Laura. Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to do a budget plan with me, and I have featured this shop before. It is Paper Crown Prints or Paper Crown Planner. I have a printed kit from her shop, but she does have a printable shop as well. So if you are able to cut stickers or you want to cut them by hand, then that is an even more affordable option. But she does sell kits, and I believe I have a mini kit or a la carte sheets, because this is definitely not her full kit. It's stunning. I love, 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 love her shop, and you get so many stickers. So there are the 8 full boxes. It says Hello Fall. There's this awesome girl. They have the kind of plaid patterns and the floral. It is so cute. Flags down the side, quarter boxes at the bottom, and then there are 8 or 7 full green checklists, and then 4 kind of like other colors. Sidebar tracker. You could use this for your sidebar or during the week. 2 quarter boxes, weekend banner, and then scripty and deco and functional type stuff. We have a set of headers, but then I also have a set of glitter headers. We have Bill Do, Habit Tracker, and then 8 half boxes and icons down the side. And then you have little things, bottom washi, canceled, nope, another quarter box, and then more icons. So I know that's not like her full-size kit. Like I said, I'm not sure if it was a mini kit or a la carte pieces. I can't quite remember. I ordered this last year, but her printable shop does usually have things like for a while, which is totally awesome. But I did order, like, I didn't have a silhouette or anything at the time, so I just ordered the kit from her, and her paper is nice, and I don't know, she's a total sweetheart. Her name is Sylvia, and it's just literally one of my favorite shops. She's got so many cute things, and I always feel like her artwork is unique, even though she doesn't like draw this or anything. I always feel like I don't see most of her artwork other places, which is really cool. So I'm not sure where she gets it from, or maybe she does draw it herself. I'm not sure. But I always feel like it's different and it's really fun and pretty. So yeah, I am filming on Monday the 17th. The Sunday here on this week is the first day of fall, which is why I'm using this kit. But I love that it has these brighter like pinks and things, just to, you know, like it's 95 degrees here. I'm not quite, I'm ready for fall, but I'm not quite there yet as far as like actually feeling it. I am so tired of sweating all day long, and I'm just over it, you guys. I'm so over it. I've started wearing like my workout leggings to work because they're sweat wicking, and I'm like, I'm sorry, I just can't do it. Luckily they're really cute. Like my ones today have like lace on them and everything else. Like they're adorable. But like even my boss was like, your leggings are so cute, and I'm like, yeah, I wear these to work out. She's like, really? But yeah, I just, it's been so hot. I can't do it. I'm so tired of it. So yeah, what's it like by you guys? Is it fall yet? Is basically what I want to know. Oh, I think well, that Hello Fall was pink, but it was also plaid. I'm not exactly sure how this is going to go. We will see. I also don't know what kind of format I'm doing here. We're doing up and down so far, and we're going with it. Because I don't know. I don't actually know a lot of what's going on this week, and that's just how it's gonna be, I guess. I think I'm gonna put this girl on Sunday on the first day of fall. I don't really know what this color scheme is, like what I would call this one. Like I've got these, and I was thinking this was a pink box, but I don't have a pink glitter header. So I don't know if I have like 2 oranges or what I've got going on here exactly, but I don't know. So wait, what did I do? I did pink, green, orange, something. So pink, green, this will be my orange. And this will be my something. Yep, that's what's happening here. These yellow headers are nice because they're easy to cover, but it's very hard to line things up with them. So there's that. Yeah, what am I calling that pink one? Is that the red? Maybe that's the red. Maybe that's what I do. Yeah? Or is that like the goldish? I don't know, you guys. I'm confused. This is clearly green. I should have probably thought about this, but I didn't think it was that complicated. Like they're just glitter headers. And then the orange, I'm gonna do the darker one. I think that's a little off. I think they need to go up a little higher, but that's okay. So I could do the red or the gold. I think I might do the red. Just something different. Try to bring out some of the colors in the box. There's like red flowers and the leaves and things. And then there's some red in the plaid on the other side. I don't know, maybe it's a big mistake. Okay, I'm back. I had to move a few checklists and things around because I ended up with little things sections like next to each other, so I had to kind of scatter those. And I put on the meal little thing. I'm going to use the sidebar tracker. Originally I had the dinner sticker, but I'm going to use it for YouTube, I think. So I put the little meal from the kit, and then from Whimsical Flamingos, I use these reddish hydrate trackers in there, and they pretty much match this red color, and it pulls a little more of the red out of each of the boxes. So I really like that, and we're gonna keep going. So I think I'm gonna go back to Monday. It's already Monday night, so let's see. I had a Simply Gilded bill today, and I don't know, oh, there are bill dues in here. Okay, so we have a bill due for Simply Gilded. And then I worked and I'm filming. Hopefully I will get to FaceTime with my boyfriend after this. He had new counters put in today. Very exciting to sell his house. And yeah, so we can use this for filming, or if I end up FaceTiming with my boyfriend, I can put filming up in the checklist. On Tuesday, I have another bill. This is my Pilates bill. So, oops, there's that. And then we have an event at work for parents that I have to stay for. I'm just going to center it because I probably won't have much else I have going on that day. Probably just editing and uploading and the parent meeting. Wednesday, hopefully I'll be going to Pilates on Wednesday, so I'm going to use a quarter box for that, and I think I'm going to stick it at the bottom because I do go in the evening, like after work. I'm just going to see if these are kind of lined up. Oh, I did pretty good. Okay, so that will be for Pilates, and I have like shoes and stuff, but that's not really Pilates. Like, you're not even allowed to wear shoes. So I don't think I'm going to put anything there. And then this is empty. I will hopefully one of these 2 days be filming the video I want up on Thursday, which is a different kind of video. But I am so discombobulated from not being home all weekend that I'm not even sure what's going on right now. So I'm going to have to play it by ear. On Thursday, I have progress reports going home to the students, so that is, no, that's on Friday. What am I talking about? Thursday, I don't know anything. So we're going to leave that blank. Friday is the day that progress reports go home, but then I need a different label. So Friday. So that will be for progress reports, and then I'll be filming this day for my next plan with me, because I'm pretty sure at this point I'm not going to Boston. If you saw my earlier plan with me's, I was talking about possibly going to Boston, and I mean, I guess it still could happen, but it's looking pretty not likely, so we're going to just assume I'm home and can film this day. So there's that. So I will put my plan sticker in there. This will be for filming. That will be for progress reports. And I also have a Hungry Root bill this day. I have this money little thing. Or maybe I'll use this. And we'll put it over. Actually, we're going to put it over the box or the checklist, because I usually don't do that much stuff on Fridays. And I don't really want to cover that box up there. That's really pretty. So there's my Hungry Root bill. And let's see if we have like a grocery kind of icon. I guess there's like a grocery bag. That works, I suppose. I do need to go to the grocery store, but we'll use that for that. And then Saturday, I don't know anything. Sunday is like the crazy day that I need to mark everything in the world. So I have my, 2 of my coworkers have birthdays that day, and I will use, I don't know, I guess the red one. So we have 2 coworkers' birthdays. My boyfriend comes back in town. And I think I'll use the plaid flag for that. So I'm going to put the plaid flag first, just to kind of break it up a little bit. That is really crooked. Okay, so we have coworkers' birthdays. I think this is all really crooked. I don't know. coworkers' birthdays, my boyfriend comes back, and then hopefully I'll be going to Pilates, but because I don't know yet, I'm not going to, well, actually, no. I could mark Pilates there because I used a flag over here, didn't I? Oh no, I used a appointment label. Maybe I'll put an appointment label on then. Okay. Oops. We'll put the appointment label over the heart checklist. All right, this is what we're doing. We're doing my boyfriend coming back here. This will be for Pilates. This will be for people's birthdays. So let's see if we have any birthday sort of things. There's a cake. Not gonna lie, it's not the cutest thing in the world, so I might skip that. Yeah. I do want to use the Weekend Manor though, and I'm not sure where because I forgot that it was kind of like curved and it's pink, so I don't want to put it on the full box. Maybe I can like sneak it in there. How about that? It's mostly on Saturday, but it kind of goes from Friday to Sunday. I don't mind that. I didn't cover up her feet or anything, so that's cool. I'm going to put the little laptop on Saturday for editing because that's typically what I do on Saturdays. Edit and upload. Sundays usually too, but there's that. So I think I'm done. Let me open up. I don't have like date covers or deco or anything, so I don't need anything up there. But yeah, I'll put videos over here. I'll probably have a cleaning checklist, vitamins, skincare, and then I have my weekly plans. It's a little bit up in the air, but I think this came together pretty nicely. Like I said, it's Monday night already, so I kind of know this whole day, which I didn't even really know that last time when I was planning. So yeah, I'm pretty excited and we'll see how this week turns out. I'll keep you guys posted and I will post pictures on Instagram. My Instagram is always linked down below, and if you guys have Instagram, feel free to add me, and then you know, if you're like planning stuff, I'll probably add you back because I like planning stuff. But yeah, let me know, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Hit that subscribe button if you like this sort of video. Again, I will be doing budget plan with me's until about December, and then they will probably be going away. So I'm so glad you guys enjoy this series right now. Definitely go check out this shop. I will link her, both of her shops down below, and let her know that I sent you. All right, have a great day, you guys. Talk to you next time. Bye.